This is the super versatile FD series double column machining center from 4-Star, and this machine offers a whole range of features, options and customizations to meet even the most demanding clients' needs. Rigidity is the name of the game in heavy machining, and 4-Star uses a box-in-box design to provide extreme structural strength to the base and vertical columns. This design makes these components 50% heavier than those of competitors for great stability under high loading. Box-in-box design is replicated in the crossbeam and saddle to provide great support for the head under heavy machining. The saddle is designed to move the center of gravity further over the crossbeam to avoid chattering. Also, extra support seats on the saddle provide precise movement and positioning. 4-Star designed the head structure on the FD series with the optimum ratio of 1 to 1.125 for great structural strength. This design reduces the overall weight of the head whilst allowing you to project the spindle further into the workpiece for deep machining. The machining head is driven by a ZF dual-speed gearbox which provides very high torque to the cutting head for efficient fast machining. The cartridge-type spindle is internally cooled to avoid thermal deformation and features P4 class bearings for smooth, precise cutting. The machining head auto changer on this FD series is a really special feature. This unit works in combination with the ATC to allow you to change the machining head as well as the tools for super efficient machining cycles. The FD series from 4-Star offers you a huge range of customizable options for your machining operation. With its super rigid structure, unique head design and super efficient heavy machining, this machine has got to be a great choice for your production operation.